Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Dominic Killing Aviation here, and coming at you with the first unboxing video for the channel. So, in this unboxing video, we have two Germany jets model. One thing of those models is a model that I've been wanting for a very, very long time. So, let's get started with this unboxing. So, let me get my scissors. So, okay, almost there. Okay, so I clip the scissors back in there. Now, let's open this box. So, let's move this box off to the side. Obviously, we need a receipt, so this is the receipt of the order. And here we have the models. So the first one that we have is the Aer Lingus Airbus A330-300 in the new livery. And the last one that I really need to for San Juan Airport, is the Copa Airlines Boeing 737 MAX 9. So, we're gonna do first the Copa 737 MAX 9. So let's put to the side the Aer Lingus one. So let's get started. So, as you can see, here's the information. You can pause the video if you want to read it. This is a 2019 release. I thought this was a 2018 release. So let's put the camera here and let's open this model. Oh, sorry about that. Oh, it's fixable? Yes, it's a fixable thing. So, here we have the Copa Airlines Boeing 737 MAX 9. So, I'm just gonna pack this thing back to the box. Okay, now let's go into brief detail. I'm just gonna do a quick detail. So yeah, so right here we have the, okay, if this, oh wait a minute, let's see here. Okay, let's move this here. So right here we have the nose, cockpit, windows, the L1 door, well, here's the L1 door, L2 door, I think this is. This looks like a door. Here's two emergency doors here. And then we have two more doors here. Obviously, I think Copa Airlines is a subsidy of United Airlines. I will need to check, because it's actually the same livery, but just changed the logo and company. And we have that beautiful MAX 9 logo there. So, let's put it into his gate. It's gonna go to gate Bravo 4 right here. Oh, the registration of this model, this aircraft is, wait a minute, is, oh my god, I forgot. Oh, no, it's not. The H, is Hotel Papa -9901 Charlie Mike Papa is the registration of this aircraft. So, right in front of your eyes, let's put this thing into its gate. Wait, there you go. I'm gonna put his jet branch for now. There we go. Now, let's go to the Aer Lingus Airbus A330-300 in the new Aer Lingus livery. Wait a minute, I'm just fixing the tower that I just fell. There we go. So, here we have it. It's also 2019 release, as you can see here. 2019. It's also, here's the information. Pause the video. Wait, focus. There you go. So, I'm just gonna unbox it. So, this is my first, obviously, A330 in my collection. And just seeing it in the box is just huge. I thought it was gonna be like the same size of a 767, but it's not. So, let's get it out of this box. This beautiful, beautiful model. I can put it right beside his gate. Can move the tower because it's in the middle of the model. But here it is, the Aer Lingus Airbus A330-300 in the new livery. So let's go into detail. So right here we have the nose cupped windows, the L1 door, the L2 door, and more other stuff. The new Aer Lingus livery, I prefer much better the new livery instead of the old livery, but looks pretty good. We have the Shamrock right here. Also, that is their call sign. We have the beautiful Aer Lingus titles, and that is pretty much it for detail. So, oh, I forgot the registration again. So, the registration of this aircraft is Echo India dash Echo Delta G is because I don't know the last E. I know it's India, but it's just gonna say Yankee for that. So let's put it into its gate. Bravo 2. Not again. Phone. So I just gonna put the jet bridge in the L2 door, just because to make it a lot more realistic for this aircraft. It is on there. So there it is, the jet bridge. So I'm just gonna put the tower back, and the first airport update is gonna come probably in the next few weeks, or I probably can film it probably tomorrow after I finish school. So I will see you in the next airport update. And if you want a suggested route, you can tell me in the comment section below of this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.